we'll guide you through how to make money on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website and log into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Products tab at the top of the page. Here, you can create a new product by clicking on the New Product button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of product you want to sell, such as a digital product, a subscription, or a membership. Let's say you're selling an ebook. Select Digital Product and give your product a name and a price. Upload your product file, like a PDF, and add a cover image to make it visually appealing. In the description box, detail what your product is about and why it's valuable. Be sure to include any specifications or highlights that would attract buyers. Next, go to the Checkout tab to customize the checkout experience. You can add discount codes, set up pay-what-you-want pricing, or even add a thank you note for your customers. After setting up your product, it's time to promote it. Head over to the Audience tab to build your email list and send newsletters right from Gumroad. You can also integrate Gumroad with social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to optimize your product page with keywords that people might search for. This will help in making your product discoverable. Finally, once you've got your product up and running, monitor its performance using the Analytics tab. Here, you can track sales, see where your customers are coming from, and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Remember, consistency is key, so keep promoting your product and updating your offerings to meet your audience's needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.